Hey guys, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I am super duper late sharing some happy mail that I received from Evelyn. I am in a group called on Facebook. I'm in a group, and that group is called Made by You on Facebook, and I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys just in case you're interested in going to check them out. It's a really fun group. It's not a huge one, but it is fun. They have regular swaps there, and I like that. As a matter of fact, I just mailed a swap out, and I didn't eat it. I didn't even make a video on it because my daughter is sick, and there's so much going on right now that I just went ahead and mailed it out. But this is long overdue. Thank you, Evelyn. I appreciate this happy mail. I really do. And guys, I haven't seen what's in here, so we're gonna see together what she sent. All I did was open the box. Honestly, that's all I did. And this is how late I am. This is a Halloween happy mail. So I'm going to take everything out of the box, and so we can go through it together. Okay guys, so first up is this big tag. It says sparkle like you mean it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, Evelyn, that's cute. Thank you. And I'm sorry, I'm sorry I am so late. I just feel so bad, but there are honestly just so much going on. So she did use, I forgot, Luna. This is from the Luna collection. And this is so cute, guys. She used the Luna collection, and this is one of the ephemera pieces. She's got some, cheesecloth on the back, and I love the pink. I really do. And at first I didn't know if I kind of liked the pink with the orange, but the orange isn't so super strong. So I like that. But this was on the top of her box, and that is the first thing I pulled out. And then she had, and then she did write a note. Thank you, Evelyn. Of course. Okay. So there was a bag, but there was a lot of crinkling going on. So I went ahead and just took it all out of the bag. And she made me a, what do you call these? Tag flip. She made me a tag flip with all of these tags in there. All this festive ribbon on the top. I see something hanging. Oh, how cute. So the festive ribbon, I'm sorry guys. So the festive ribbon on the top, and just, oh, that is so cute. She does have this little charm here, this dangle. I'm going to take it off and show it to you guys because I like that bead. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, it says boo. She's got, oh my gosh, I love this. That is so cute. Look at this beautiful orange. Guys, orange is not one of my favorite colors, but this is so pretty. She's got the globe on there. She's got the boo. That's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, look at that little heart. And I love this little bead as well. So super pretty. Thank you, Evelyn. That is so pretty. Thank you. I'm going to leave this off because I'm going to flip through this one. So this is the first tag on here, and it is heart-shaped, and it's got the little ephemera piece here with a beautiful witch. She's got some flowers here clustered in the corner. She's used, I love gold. She's used gold. You know what? This is corrugated. It looks like corrugated paper, the base of the heart. She's got these tiny flowers. She's got a star. She's got the moon, which that's what Luna means. It means moon. That is so pretty. She's got some, oh, nope, that goes over there. That is so pretty. She used some of this trim at the bottom. It says Luna. She put a little bow on her hat. That's so cute. Thank you, ma'am. And then there's the back. And then the next one is a tag that says Eek. And it looks like she may have used some Nouveau drops or something like that on the eek, which adds a really pretty detail on there. I like that tag, that paper. She put a eyelet on the top and on the hole. And then the next one, oh, it's a little sequin mix. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so cute. Look at the little shovel. Oh, that is so cute with the sequin mix. That's so pretty, guys. I'm no good at doing that. She's got little candy corns in there, orange, pink, gold, black. She's got little pumpkins in there, stars. This is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. I love that. Thank you, Evelyn. That is so pretty. So, and I like that little shovel. That's so cute, guys. And then on the next one, she's got a little pumpkin. And again, this is corrugated paper. She's got a little cluster of flowers here. She's put some twine or some kind of fiber on the top. I don't know. I don't think that's twine. That just looks that way. But she wrapped that on the top. She put another ephemera piece here, which is the pumpkin with the little cat, the little candy corn. He looks all happy. Some hearts at the bottom, and I forgot what you call this, guys. Snow tulle? Is it tulle? Okay, I'm gonna call it tulle, guys. So it's got some of that snow tulle on there. So cute. And this is the shape of a pumpkin. I love that corrugated paper. To my cute pumpkin. That's so sweet. Aw, that's pretty. I like that paper. And then the back is just orange. And then, oh, she sent me a die, guys. Look at that cute little topper with the ghost. This is a puffy sticker. Oh, look at that. It's got a little spoon. It's a little coffee mug, chocolate mug, however you want to say it. Definitely going to play with that. Thinking I can make some tags for Christmas gifts. That's so pretty. Thank you, Evelyn. I appreciate that. You know, I love my dies. I really, really do. And then she put it on a piece of cardstock. There you go. And then this one, it's got some skulls on there. Gold, black, orange. Put a little cluster on the top here. Oh, and the little ruffled trim on the back. That's cute. I'm sure she made this herself. She's very creative. I like these. Those are pretty. Thank you, Miss Evelyn. And then, oh, this one. Look at this acetate, guys. Oh, that is so pretty. You know, I've looked for acetate that has something printed on there, and I don't know. I can't find it. It's got a little ghosty on the front with a little bow, October 31st, holding a star. And just look at that acetate. That's so pretty. Love that. All right. And then the next one has a spider sequence in there. And I know I don't have any of this, so thank you. And her little bag topper with a pumpkin, and she's using the stars throughout, so she is tying her theme together, which is awesome. I love that. And then the next one is an oval die. Come on, guys, get in line. Thank you. And then the next one is an oval die. That is so pretty. She incorporated red, accent color, some ghosties with some stickles around it, and the little candy corn as well. She's got a spider. She's layering here quite a bit, and it's dimensional. She's got it up on foam. So super pretty. I put a spell on you. That's so cute. That's so pretty. Thank you, Evelyn. The back is orange. And then this one is a spooky house. That is so pretty. I like that. And then she's put a swirly trim right on the top of the windows, and that is so pretty. I really like that. And she used another puffy sticker here and says happy haunting. She used a trim at the bottom. I like that. I don't remember seeing that anywhere. I like that house. I really do. And then, oh, she put her sticker on the back. It says made by Evelyn, Valencia, 2022. Well, thank you, Evelyn. I love that. And then this last one is a heart as well. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. I love that. So it starts with a heart and ends with a heart. That is so pretty. Oh, Evelyn, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I really do. Evelyn helped me out of a slump she doesn't even know it, a couple of months ago, when I did not feel like crafting. She posted a swap online in our Facebook group, and she doesn't know it, but I said, you know what, let me try this, and it kind of got me out of my slump. I know that I'm still not making as many videos as I should, but she at least got me out of my slump without even knowing. And now I'm back to crafting, and I have other things going. Although life is really hard right now, on my personal life, there's a lot going on around me. Not to me personally, but it does affect me. But at least I'm back into my crafting mood, which, Evelyn, I have to thank you for that, because I know you don't know it, because I don't share a whole lot of my personal life, but I know you don't know, but you helped me out of a slump when I really needed to be pushed just a little, and I'm grateful that you posted one of the swaps that you did. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.